Hello friend, today we will show you a special game between world's two great player Anatoly Karpov versus Kasparov, which was played in World Championship match in Moscow 1985. This was the 16th game which was very popular. Here Kasparov as a black in Sicilian defense. 8th move played d5 and this move surprises everyone. Let's start. Karpov plays as a white e4. Then Kasparov replied c5, nf3, e6 and here d4, cd4 and d4 and c6. Here Karpov played nb5. A special move. He wants to come on here d6. So here Kasparov replied d6. What to do? c4 is played. Then nf6, knight b1, c3 and here a6 driving this knight. na3 was played and here d5. This move surprises everyone. Here Kasparov uses gambit-like idea. He gives a pawn, sacrifices a pawn here in Sicilian defense. See this move. Here c cross d5, e cross d5, pawn cross pawn and here knight b4. See this move. Here Anatoly Karpov wins a pawn, so he played bishop e2. See this move. Here Kasparov replied bc5 and now both will castle, castle, castle. Now what to do? Here Karpov played bishop f3. He does not want to give this pawn. This is a passed pawn. So played bishop f3. Here bishop f5 is a answer. Controlling d3 square by knight and bishop. See this move. So here bishop g5 is answered. Then rook e8 in open line. And what to do? If queen is played on d2, here b5. See this move. Here Kasparov want to play knight on here, threatening to both knight, forking both knight. Planning is this. What to do here? Here Karpov played this rook to d1. Because otherwise if knight will come back, this rook will comes here, knight here, it is not good. So here he moves this rook to here. Now nd3 is the answer. Now see this move carefully. So many pressure in white camp. Here, knight pressure. See knight pressure. What to do? Now black is threatening this pawn to b4, forking both knight. What to do? Here one knight is saved on b1, knight a b1. Now what to do? h6 was played, driving this bishop. Then bishop will go to h4. Here b4, driving this knight. He cannot play here knight on a2 because knight will go here taking this bishop. He is bound to take with pawn and here weakening. So he only move, knight will go to here a4. Kasparov save his bishop to d6 and now bishop g3. Exchange, he wants exchange. Karpov want to exchange the bishop. Now what to do? Here rc8, covering this open line. He will enjoy this line and this line, both open line. And here what to do? Here Karpov played b3. Why? He wants his knight on here and removing this dangerous knight d3. So here Kasparov finds the way g5. See this move. Here Anatoly Karpov takes bishop cross bishop. Why not NB2? If he, let's play on the board. Knight B2 is a wrong move. This is a wrong move because of, see this move, knight cross knight, he will take with queen, and then G4, where to move the bishop. If here, rook will come here and black will win a piece. We will take back. So here, instead of knight on here, B2, bishop cross bishop is the right option. Then queen cross bishop. Here G3 is played by Karpov. Otherwise, this knight will come here on F4, knight here with dangerous attack. He makes space for his bishop on here G2. Here ND7 is the answer. Bishop G2. Then queen F6. See this move? Here A3, A5, pawn cross pawn, pawn cross pawn. Retaining the pawn on B4. And here this knight has no space. Here queen A2 is tried. Then bishop G6, strengthening his position. Here D6. Here Karpov admitted that his plan is wrong. Here he gives up pawn. Retaining a pawn is not a good. So here he admitted. Here Kasparov played G4, not taking pawn. Then queen come back on D2, threatening to here H6. He wants counterplay. Then king here G7. Now F3 is played. Here Karpov wants to open this rook to play on this line of F file. He wants counterplay. What to do? Here Kasparov replied queen cross pawn D6. When pawn cross pawn is taken, opening this line, he wants counterplay. Here queen D4 check, king H1, and here NF6, threatening to come on E4 or taking G4. This threat is irresistible. Black wants to win by smoothed mate. So how to resist this threat? Here Anatoly Karpov, a good defensive player, whose creativeness cannot be doubted. A very good player, Karpov played RF4. See this move. And here, even then, Kasparov played NE4. What to do here? Now threat is, knight will go here, F2. What to do? He cannot take with bishop, then bishop will come here and no answer. So here, queen cross knight, this D3 is taken and knight will go to F2, threatening to capture this queen with bishop, knight and this king. What to do here? So here, either to play king here, not a good option because of bishop cross queen. Then if this queen is taken, knight cross this rook will be lost. If this bishop is taken, rook here and no answer. How to save this knight? No answer. So here Anatoly Karpov decided to take this knight with F2. Rook cross this, then bishop cross D3, and here Karpov tried this rook to here D2, pinning this bishop, threatening this bishop, and here Kasparov played queen E3, saving his queen. Here rook cross D3, bishop is taken, and now rook C1. See this move. He cannot take this, nor he cannot take queen because of rook cross rook is the answer. Then both rook will be lost and losing all. What to do here? Here rook D cross C, then queen cross C, and here Anatoly Karpov did not find a good choice, so he played knight b2. Then queen will go to f2. Now so many threat. This rook will come here. This is the threat. What to do? Here, rook cross rook is not a good option because rook sack. Then what will he do? He cannot play like that. Queen cross c1 is the answer. What to do? Here, knight d2 is played. Anatoly Karpov take time and played this move, and here rook cross rook is the answer. Then knight cross d1, and here rook comes on e1. Here Karpov resign. No move, no defense. So you saw this brilliant game. Hope you liked the content of this video. If you liked the content of this video, then comment and share with your friend. Also subscribe our channel Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.